Today we're going to read Muddy Puddles. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is the house where Peppa Pig lives. She lives with Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, and her little brother George. It's raining today. Peppa and George are feeling sad because they cannot play outside, but then the sun comes out. There's so much rain. Peppa and George go outside to play. I love jumping in muddy puddles, says Peppa. If you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots, said Mummy Pig. Uh-oh, George is jumping in muddy puddles without his boots. Peppa says, if you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots. Now Peppa and George both have their boots on. Come on, George, says Peppa. Let's find a real big muddy puddle. Peppa and George have so much fun splashing in the puddle. Before long, they are both covered in mud. Peppa and George look funny and all covered all in mud. Peppa has an idea. Let's go and show Daddy, she says. Daddy, guess what we've been doing, says Peppa. Let me think, says Daddy Pig. Did you just have a bath? Peppa laughs. I know, says Daddy Pig. You've been jumping in muddy puddles. It must be a really big muddy puddle to make such a big mess, says Daddy Pig. Peppa and George show Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig the really big muddy puddle. This is the biggest muddy puddle in the world ever. The puddle is so big everyone can jump in it together. Everyone loves muddy puddles. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.